Yep guys, Lihlohonyolo Chauke aka Shebeshit guys has appeared again in the Polokwane Magistrate Court guys, again today on the 18th of February 2026 guys. So yes, another sad news that the Likompo artist is not coming out guys. It's gonna be kept on custody until the 27th of March. Yes, the case has been postponed once again to the 27th of March guys. The case is still going, so Shebeshit is not coming out anytime soon. We're still gonna miss the Likompo artist guys. Here's a Shebeshit appearing in the Polokwane Magistrate Court once again guys.
The 27 March 2026 Court A.
Yep guys, those were the sad news from Shebeshit side guys. Remember, he has been charged with illegal firearm and attempted murder guys. He has remained in custody since from his November arrest guys. So I don't know what's your take on this one. You can leave your comments down in the comment section. I love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video here on this channel. Once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.